I woke up this afternoon and I looked at my life. I'm so happy I don't even need a beer, but I'll have one anyway, or maybe one or two more. I finished the crate before I had the courage to open the door. It's not escaping, it's just a crutch. My legs ain't broken, but they hurt too much, and I can feel the trench foot setting in. Life's great, but I wonder why, when all I wanted in the past was die. I guess we all just gotta find our way. We were driving down a long road and I felt happiness, but I just don't know how I could, when all I see when I look around is it all turned to shit. I guess it's just hard to digest. I wanna fight but not for a cause. I just wanna run away because the social war's gonna kill us all. I wanna see the fall of church and state, but I'm too drunk to participate. I'll sober up, just not today. You go ahead and I'll meet you there. The revolution's gotta start somewhere. I'm just too drunk to fight, no I ain't scared. And this was just so fucking unfair.
So unfair. Tell me your band name one more time for the tape.
Trash Wolf.
Trash Wolf.
Trash Wolf.
You